If you want to delete out your Safari history on your iPhone, even if there are screen time restrictions that prevent you from deleting it, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is open up the Safari app on your iPhone and then tap on those three dots at the bottom right. They recently updated where this is in iOS 26, so tap on the bookmark option at the bottom left. And it usually defaults to bookmarks, that little book icon. So you're going to instead tap on the little clock icon to the right, and this shows you your history. To delete anything, unfortunately, you cannot swipe to the left. You need to tap on those three dots at the top right, and then tap on clear. But in my case, it says go to screen time because I can't do that. So I'm going to show you if there are restrictions. Open up the settings app on your iPhone. Oh, let me go back to the beginning so you can see where to go. From the beginning of your settings, scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down again, and tap on content and privacy restrictions. From here, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and then tap on Web Content. You're going to set this to unrestricted, but keep in mind it will ask for that screen time passcode, so just enter that in. If you don't know what that screen time passcode is or you forgot it, you can always just choose to reset that screen time passcode if you did forget what you have set it as. Of course, if a parent set it, then unfortunately they will need to enter that screen time passcode to unlock it. After you've done that, let's hop back into Safari here. And now I can tap on those three dots at the top right and choose clear. And now it will give me the ability to choose all history, all profiles, and to close all tabs. And now I can finally tap clear history to delete out all of the previously visited websites. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.